They're not in the vehicles, huh? Huh? Donut break.
Where they at?
Inside there.
Huh?
Inside there. What's up, guys? Record the police. Here. You guys watch my channel on YouTube. We record police. Hold them accountable. Make sure they don't violate people's rights. Make sure they take care of everybody and treat everybody right. You know? Watch our channels, man. Record the police. You start your own YouTube channel. See you guys.
They're inside the police station or what? Wait, they're inside the gas station?
I'm guessing so. You too, man.
Let's go inside to see what's going on.
Go for it. What if are you gonna go in recording?
No.
Oh, you gonna put it down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're from down there,
Huh. Oh yeah. Just inside hanging out, drinking coffee. That's what it looks like. They're acting like they're working now?
Yeah.
That's her. 1049. Howdy, boys.
Let's go.
How you doing?
Wonderful.
Not too bad? Alright. Can I get you guys' names and badge numbers?
Nope.
Why not?
You see it right there on my uniform.
Hey, that's why your mom called you whenever she put your name?
Let me see. Turn around then. Turn around so I can see it. Hey, turn around so I can see it. You don't want to be professional? Shithead.
Right. Stupid, huh? Yeah. You laugh.
You guys have a good day, okay?
Hey, what's your name and badge number, brother?
Gatesman 1035.
Professional, brother. That's what I like to see. Thank you, homie.
You guys have a good one.
All right, too.
Thank you.
Hey, why are you flipping me off? What's that? Why'd you flip me off, sir? Why did you flip me off?
Because you're taking a picture of me. But what?
It's called freedom, fuckface.
Fuck you too. Fuck all three of them.
Hey, fuck you, man.
Tough guy.
Get out of here, tough guy.
My tough guy.
Fuck you, man. Little bitch. LabCorp.
So you talk soft? Does the microphone actually picks it up?
I think it hears me pretty good.
Yeah, because every time I hear you on the videos, it sounds loud.
Yeah.
And I just noticed you talk soft with passion.
With passion.
Yeah. Right? Yeah. That's pretty cool.
What if I did my audits like this?
If you ever sell your cameras,
I love you, bro. San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm doing a First Amendment audit.
but go like Tom too.
I'm with Casey Camera Boy. I'm with Tulare County Cop Watch. We're doing the Caltrans office here in Bakersfield. I love you, bro. Yes. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Where do we go to get public records for Caltrans?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Why are you
How are you?
filming me?
You're special today.
Yeah.
You're what?
You're special today.
I am.
Yes.
What do you need?
Lucky for you, you're here. We just came to ask questions about how to get public records from Caltrans, like what your future projects
Who are you guys with?
The United States of America.
Okay, what department?
Freeman.
What's that?
Freeman.
Freeman?
Yes.
Do you have a business card?
Actually,
you-
I do.
I mean,
Not
you're-
with me at the moment.
Are you filming me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We all are.
Okay.
Yes.
Is this like a joke or something?
No, this might be on the next Netflix documentary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and Caltrans is the big topic right now, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just trying to find out like where the office would be, where we go and get like public information as far as like future projects.
Public information. We
Yes.
have an office in Fresno.
Ooh. So we couldn't get information here as far as like what
Well, if you want
projects.
information about a specific project, I can direct you to the RE that's in charge of the project. But as far as like general information,
Right.
the Public Information Office.
Okay.
I can give you a phone number.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Wow, you guys just turn on the cameras and start filming.
Well, I'll tell you what, you've actually taken it like good because a lot of people
Did I
get.
pass the test?
You
Yes,
passed the
you
test. You absolutely
Passed it,
did.
you passed
You're
Oh,
passing it
wow.
right. You're. It's still to be determined, but yeah, you're passing.
Oh, wow.
You're doing good.
You said you're from Freeman?
Yeah, free like free as in free. Free man.
F-R-E-E-M-A-N.
Yes. Yes, free man.
Christian Lukens is our PIO.
Perfect.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, let's go.
Gosh, I would have done my
And
face a little bit
what-
more. I
Right?
know
You're
you-
looking great. So don't worry. You look natural, by the way.
What's your name?
Oh, okay, Maria.
Maria.
Thank you, Maria.
Thank you so much, Maria.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Hey, your attitude's really nice. I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna give you my channel. That's where you can find yourself in a couple days. And
Are you being serious?
I'm dead
Yeah.
serious. Sometimes we get thousands and thousands of views. That's why I'm not really that smart. I just have a big foot, and I go and stick it indoors. And the smarter people than me sometimes go on my channel and they ask the tough questions like, "Where's our tax dollars?" You know, the kind of questions that make the supervisors run in the back and hide from the camera.
Yeah, I have nowhere to go. So.
But that's what
You did awesome, though.
that's why we do what we do. And I bet you if you go when you see yourself on your video, I bet you're gonna see a lot of people giving you a lot of compliments.
Yes.
You'll see that a lot.
When you're nice to the camera, like to our channels.
I think I may have. Are you guys like big, and have you guys been like? I want to say
You've seen my
I've
channel
seen
before?
you guys.
Oh yeah, that's what's
I'm
up.
not sure.
My channel's called. I don't have more cards, but mine's Tulare County Cop Watch.
Cop Watch.
Yes.
Tulare County Cop Watch.
Oh.
Yeah, we record police too. We go out there and hold them accountable, make sure they
Yep.
treat everybody right.
Oh, maybe that's where I've seen.
I go by Casey Camera Boy or Karen County Transparency. I got 2 channels.
Oh, okay.
And mine's San Joaquin Valley Transparency.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, good luck.
Alright,
with your
thank you.
project.
Yeah, you
Very
got it.
professional.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Watch
Nice.
yourself. Watch
Thank
yourself
you.
in a few days. You'll see yourself.
Yep. You get a lot of
Yeah,
compliments.
I'm definitely going to.
Bye bye. Have a
Bye.
good day.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Ah, that was pretty cool. People are nasty.
Here, brother. Professional. You put it in front of your camera if you like.
Man, people should give compliments to people like this. There's someone over there who can mess it up for everyone right there. Casey Camera Boy, here with San Joaquin Valley and Tulare County Cop Watch. Peace.
Peace out.